serious.
275.
Where are we going?
Top, staying up on the top shit.
Up here?
Yeah, we're gonna go up there, but we're gonna ride back down though, because we can't keep going that way. We should go down all the way to the day area where you first come up, stop, drink some water, ride back. Call it a wrap.
Fuck it, let's hit this first.
Yeah, no, this will lead us there. If we keep going, we'll come out to the day area down there below. Bro. Bro, I got my... Alright, so we... What the fuck, bitch?
What's going on down there?
Bro, I'm coming, bro. I just got my shit clicking. Come on, bro. Calm down. You know what I did. Doing tricks. Oh. Dropping so damn. Here I come. I had to take my goggles off, bro. I can't see shit. This light ain't even bright. Bro, I couldn't see nothing in these goggles, bro. I couldn't see the fucking ground. Huh? Fuck, man.
What's wrong? Good?
Yeah, you got super good lights. gotta go that way and then cut around and come in. Go around. Whoa, whoa, whoa there, Nelly. Yep. Hit it.
Huh?
Really? That's, bro, you guys are doing the same thing, especially Broski.
Really?
You don't realize how aggressive that tire is. If you're not close enough to him, you get the flack of it because the dust just rises, bro. It just stays there in the air for like a few seconds. So you gotta like really like have faith in it. I'm following your line, and you don't know where you're going. You're trying to follow Brody, but Brody's kicking a hell of dust, and so it just is all fucked up. But at least we're communicating. We can see what's going on, because that's more important than anything. It don't matter how many of us there are. It sucks you don't have your CNUT, but I mean, if you did, that'd be even more better, because we know exactly what's going on with everybody. When you get a drink of water, bro, have a stogie. Can you write that shit back? Use my camera. What's the name real quick? Maybe we put a different mount on that bitch. That's what I'm thinking. Another mount. Well, really, I needed a fucking mount. I never even found a mount. Yeah, you guys are lights, bro. That one headlight, bro, I can only imagine with two of them, bro. Bro, I got blood on me and shit, bro. Nigga slipped, and I think I got swishers. Nigga, that's called prepared, nigga. Shit get rough, nigga. At least I was
thinking I was just my headlight, my front headlight on the bike.
Yeah.
And that's just
No, but the head, with that headlamp, bro, that's ultimate duo package right there, bro. That's a good choice. It was just a good selection, bro. It really works. I was like, bro, that shit really works. I seen it, bro. It like, Brody with the other helmet, bless you. Brody with the other helmet was just totally bogarted my fucking light, bro. I couldn't even tell that I had a light most of the time.
Damn.
That's how dim my shit is, and it's on bright.
On high beam?
Yeah, high beams, low beams, whatever.
What you doing?
Shit, I was switching it back and forth, trying to fucking figure it out. Where they, here, I think the stickers are in here.
No water.
No, go ahead. You gotta be a fool one in here. Don't tell me you took all the waters out.
You took all the waters out, bro.
Bro, did you really do that, bro? Bro, you took all the waters out, bro. Bro, I told you, bro. You was like, don't. Bro, I said put them back in there, bro. Bro, you didn't even put them back in there. You went over there and grabbed them and didn't even put them back in there.
I grabbed one and took a sip off it.
I thought you put them back in there, bro, because you was like, bro, don't leave the waters. Now we ain't got no damn water, huh? Here, waterfall. Oh, yeah, see? So there you go. Bro, no, bro got the pack. That's it. I got brewski. That's good. Here. Look. That's all you gotta do. Here, he just took the lid off of it, bro. Bro, I thought you put him back in there, broski. I swear.
Here, put your mouth over here.
So I would have put him, bro. What does beer mean or anything else without water, bro?
I don't drink.
I just took him out. Like, damn, I was counting them. This is like, man, this nigga's trying to kill me.
Salad.
And when you came over, it was like, bro, put him back in there. I was like, all right, bro. I thought you put him back in there. I couldn't even tell that if you did or not. Bro.
Look at the smoke. Now that shit's treacherous, bro. When you came down that fucking shit, the first one when we turned around, I came airborne, bro.
Oh, shit. Get one out of the pack.
Bro, I got airborne, bro. I'm talking about, nigga.
You going hard. You really riding, though. I'm telling you, if you did this all the time, bro, you'd be better. Thank you, bro. You'd be a better motorcycle rider, bro.
Lighter. Oh, shit, he done forgot the lighter, too.
Okay.
He dropped the cigarette. Damn, he's dropping cigarettes
Bro,
everywhere.
grab it, bro. Here. Bro, I'm trying to fucking... Bro, you see how much shit I got in my hands?
Bro, it ain't my fault you trying to sit there and act like you're just a dresser, nigga.
Nigga, I got my phone. I'm trying to get the fucking... I forgot to put the coordinates map on. See how far we riding, how fast we're going. Average speed, everything. Oh. Here we go.
Oh, no, that's 450. That bitch is the animal.
I'm telling you, go up anything, though. Here, just right. You gotta put clutch. I think I only rode it like once.
That thing, bro, is
Bro,
delicious.
bro,
I came
it
up
will
that
rip.
hill, bro, and the bitch stood
And
up on me. I'm like,
it's-
whoa.
And it's extremely light, bro. That's
I'm like, whoa, I'm in second gear pulling that hill, and this bitch just stood right
What the fuck is it?
Ah!
Oh my God.
Said, oh, fuck. Then on top of it, standing up, bro, the bitch broke traction. I said, oh, this bitch is trying to fuck
Too
me.
low gear. Go up a gear. Try to
Second.
clutch you with.
You gotta keep the RPM
because I
cut.
I geared my shit for a lot of second gear, and my gears were kind of long.
Thank you, buddy. But
You got
finally
one?
found it lighter.
That bitch.
I know, I know. I wish I'd have brought my headlamp though. Fucked up. Should have broken that damn headlamp. That was stupid. That was the dumbest thing a nigga could do. I admit that, man.
This thing needs to be adjusted more. It's looking down. I can't see in front of me. What, the light?
Yeah. I can see in front of you just perfect.
Yeah, because
I'm like, nigga, I need that on the bike, nigga.
It needs to come up just a little bit.
I was like, man, I need that on the bike ski.
It's like headed right there, see? That's where it goes. You want to plug it in so you can see it?
Oh yeah, I'm gonna fit in the top pocket, and I'm gonna put the lighter in there with the top pocket too. And so everybody knows it's in the top pocket of the backpack. I'm gonna wipe my motherfucking forehead out.
Hope it's going to plug it in and see if it.
And I know for a second, who was right behind? That was you, Brody, right behind me for a minute?
Yeah.
Coming up the first hill? Or was that bro? I thought it was you for it. I thought
No, that was Brody's behind you.
Oh, I thought it was you for a second. I was like, damn, Brody riding. I couldn't really see. You can't really look back. You just catch a glimpse of something out of the corner of your eye when you make a turn.
No, I was.
But for the most part, you can't even see he was there. Yeah, that's what I'm saying, bro. Look, bro, that shit was way,
Bro, blinded me, bro. I'm seeing
Bro.
like orange and
Bro,
white.
I need that on my bike, bro. If I did, bro, I'd be able to swing. I can't even see where I'm going. I'm riding with Faith right now, along with the dust.
That one, though.
Yeah, no, but both of those, though, that's a hell of a combination, though. Both of those lights right there. Yeah, I need to put my bars on there too. I got them somewhere in the trailer. Mine go down here though. Look, go down here on this. Mine go down here on the fork, on the bottom fork clamp. That's where mine go. And then they stick out. They're like up and down basically on the fork clamp on both sides, and they're like probably about that big. You know, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches. But they pretty thick though, about an inch thick. Shit, they're the same style. LED fucking, I mean off-roader stuff. I mean real deal too. I just haven't wired them up because you gotta do so much. You gotta change all types of shit. What I did was I heat-proofed the whole back of it because it was melting the plastics. So I came in, I cut that old plastic off. I heated it up, smoothed it out, cut that old piece of plastic off because it had melted from touching this. So I bought a guard for it, and it still was melting it. So I bought heat guards behind this, and I had just picked this apart and put it back together. Like literally, like
we gotta get back and put that fucking fire on for them.
Oh yeah, we gotta
We might as well just move to that spot down there, bro. Just light that fire there. Okay, when we get back there. What you think, buddy? That fire's gonna be